a lot of people that I talk to have massive Excel sheets. So it's pretty much that massive Excel sheet, but just nicer to look at.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everyone, Grant Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to Cine Gear 2024 as part of our continuing coverage from the show. I'm joined on my right by Erica from FreeMe. FreeMe is an app made for crew folk, right?
That's right.
So tell me a little bit about your background and then what does the app do?
So I'm in IATSE Local 600. I've been first ACing for about 9 years. And the crew time card, the idea came up because it's just so many things that we have to keep track of as gig workers, right? So for me, I'm in commercials, so from gig to gig, it's just so many things to keep track of by the end of the year. And a lot of people that I talk to have massive Excel sheets. So it's pretty much that massive Excel sheet, but just nicer to look at. And you can do it on your phone, you can do it on set, so you don't have to, at the end of a 12-hour day, go home and try to figure out, oh, did I have a meal penalty that day? Do I need to charge for overtime, and now I have to calculate the overtime, and I was on, all these questions that are answered and done before you even end your day.
I'm very embarrassed to disclose this, Erica. So I'm also in Local 600. I also have things like meal penalties and like the set is wet and all of the various things that happen. And I write this on my phone in the notes section, and I use a free invoicing tool that I found online. Yeah. I'm not proud of this. Tell me about how your app tracks that in sort of hopefully a clean and approachable way.
Yeah, so I think I do focus on user experience and hoping that it's easy to use. I've done a lot of alpha testing and beta testing. So what it does is that you can clock in all your times in regular time, and it will translate it to tenths and quarters, because that's the thing that I hate the most. I don't like to do that, especially with tenths is just a little bit too long to calculate. So it does all that, and it also exports into either a choice of time card or invoice. It's up to you, because I know we live in both worlds.
Okay, so for those of you who aren't living in the world of time cards, this is a very sort of North American, Hollywood-centric kind of thing that is so antiquated and impossibly annoying. It's keeping track of time increments in the middle of a day when you're running around, and it's on the clunkiest, crazy-looking, not even a spreadsheet. It's just absolutely insane. So is the idea that I pay a monthly fee and then it's all my time cards or invoices are saved in FreeMe? How does that work?
Yeah, so everything is saved. Right now, we're charging $6.99 a month or $69.99 for the year. Right now, we're doing an early bird promotion for 25% off on the annual, so that makes it about $52. But yes, you can track all your jobs, all the times. It'll be there for you. Once you export everything, you can send it through email and have a paper trail of it, or you can download it if you want to. So yeah, it saves everything in that app in one place.
Can you tell me about using this when it comes to working with production in general? So production, producers, coordinators, production managers are going to have specific ways that they want to receive invoices and time cards. Does your app work within whatever most of the structures that they're setting up?
So we just released about 2 weeks ago, so it's a little bit fresh. I do hope that we can make that transition into. It's so difficult to work with multiple payroll companies. So if there's some way to streamline it and make it easier, that's what I want to do. The purpose of FreeMe is to support the crew member and make everything easier, so we don't have to focus on the administrative tasks at home and spend more time off the clock just to get paid.
Well, Erica, this sounds very, very cool. You're helping solve a pain point that especially a lot of folks in the industry in North America, a lot of people like me and like you in Local 600 deal with all the time. And look, even if you're not in North America, in a time card based system, we all have invoices, right? So this is a great way to track outgoing and incoming work, right?
Yes. So actually what I eventually want to do later is to provide a tax analysis for the end of the year, so that you know from which employers that the total, so that your tax season when you file is not so difficult, because again, with gig work, you're multiple employers, multiple rates and all that stuff.
Okay, Erica, last question. You said it's $6.99 a month, right? Where do we find out more information about the app? What sort of platforms? Is it Mac OS based, phone?
Yeah, so it's actually both on iPhone Android is coming soon, and the website is www.thefreemeapp.com, and we're on all platforms. It would be at the FreeMe app.
Very cool. Erica, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your Cine Gear.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, that's a first inside look of the FreeMe app, a solution for handling the nightmare that is invoicing and the nightmare that is time cards. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more coverage from Cine Gear 2024.